Hi, I am Lakshan from the study.
I am Thejashvith from Acharya.
We are from the SP community Puducherry, and this is our Christmas and New Year project challenge.
The title is How Christmas Started and How Santa Delivered His Gifts.
Working model of my project. So my assistant will tell you about what happened on Christmas Day. Let me run it.
Jesus Christ was born to Mary and Joseph 2,000 years ago in Bethlehem. He was born in a manger in a stable. A few shepherds and wise men followed the star that led them to baby Jesus' house. The shepherds and wise men gave gift to baby Jesus. This is what happened on Christmas Day. Now I will tell a technological preview of what might have happened on that day. If light followers were more common in that time, the shepherds and wise men would have used the light follower because it follows light, so it could have followed the light of the star and could have transported them easily. If an error sensor sensed that, the door assistant must have a word to them about it.
Now, as we heard what my assistant said, now I'll show you how it really works. So these are the things what the wise men and the shepherds visiting the baby Jesus. So now I'll show you the light for how it works. So for the star I'm using the torchlight of the phone.
There are visitors to see baby Jesus.
So when this IR sensor senses they are coming, it tells that they are visitors to see baby Jesus.
There are visitors to see baby Jesus. There are visitors to see baby Jesus.
So I'll also show you what might have happened if there were lights.
There are visitors to see baby Jesus. There are visitors to see baby Jesus.
So in the Christmas headquarters, we have two beginner level bots. This is a beginner level bot with the arm kit. This is without it. This is the Santa Claus's vehicle. This one keeps gift inside Santa Claus's vehicle. Now let's see how it works.